Have you ever wondered how often your name comes up in conversations that you're not a part of? Soon, with Microsoft Teams, you'll be able to see when you were referenced in calls, who mentioned you, and in what context. We'll cover when you can expect to get your hands on this new feature as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your new home for trending technology news. Over the last year, Microsoft has made an effort to regularly update what it calls the Microsoft 365 roadmap. For many tech enthusiasts, this is one of the easiest ways to stay informed on the launch of new features across Microsoft's suite of applications. Most recently, Microsoft updated that roadmap to include a new feature coming soon to Microsoft Stream. Now, for those that are unaware of that application, Stream allows you to view and share videos recorded by other Microsoft applications, such as Teams. And while Stream hasn't seen much attention over the last few years, all of that will soon change as Microsoft is incorporating new AI into the application. According to Microsoft's announcement, the company is adding markers in the timelines of recorded Teams calls to indicate when a name was mentioned during a meeting. The markers are personalized so that only you will see when your name is mentioned. The goal is to save you time and allow you to easily jump between segments that require your input. And while this feature is set to be released in February of this year, Microsoft has stated that it will only be available to Teams Premium users at launch. That said, if history aims to repeat itself, it's likely the feature will become available to all individuals at a later date. Nevertheless, if you don't want to wait, obtaining a premium Teams account is easier than you think. For most businesses, your IT department should be able to help you quickly upgrade your licensing. From there, you'll be given access to AI-powered meetings, the ability to customize Teams with company branding, and tools to better safeguard confidential information. To learn more about Microsoft Teams Premium, contact Rocket IT using the link in this video's description. And to stay up to date on trending technology news, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.